Have you spent a fortune trying to find the secret to maintaining your youthfulness? Yet no matter how many pills, skin creams, and serums you use, nothing seems to do the trick. Am I right? Well, let me tell you something that might be new. The secret to youthful skin and longevity is sirtuins. That's right, sirtuins are responsible for regulating numerous signaling pathways, especially those directly involved in aging and senescence. It delays aging by inhibiting cell death, modulating oxidative stress, and repairing DNA damage. But if you have no clue about what sirtuins are, sit tight as we discuss everything you need to know about sirtuins and how to activate this anti-aging protein in your body. If you stick around, we got something special for you that you might be interested in. But hey, it's never a bad time to join the Natural Educations community by making a red button a white one. Make sure to ring that bell icon so you don't miss our new video. Alright, now let's start with some basics and try to understand what sirtuin is. Sirtuin is a family of signaling proteins in the body that have been found to possess either mono-ADP ribosyltransferase or deacetylase activity. But how does this property help prevent aging in humans? What's the science behind sirtuins and youthfulness? Well, let's find out. According to the Cold Spring Harbor Perspective in Biology Journal, the ability of the sirtuin family to influence metabolism and potentially lifespan is linked to their function as protein deacetylase. This means that they possess the ability to reverse biochemical impact. Aside from that, they promote the expression of FOXO transcription factors, which in turn promote the activation of longevity genes. Am I confusing you already? Well, to understand this better, imagine sirtuin as a protein that influences other proteins and generally DNA repair. Also, at this point, you should note that sirtuin is not all you need to hack into the realm of longevity. The sirtuin family uses NAD+ as a co-substrate to promote binding and modification of specific proteins associated with DNA repair, mitochondrial biogenesis, and stress resistance in the body. Now you might be wondering, if we activate one protein, it would prevent aging? Well, it is not that simple, as there are many different sirtuins and they have different functions. In humans, there are 7 members of the sirtuin family named Sirt1 to Sirt7, and they are found in different compartments within the cell. Sirt1, 6, and 7 are mostly found in the nucleus, while Sirt3 to 5 are found in the mitochondria, and Sirt2 is found in the cytoplasm. As protein enzymes, these sirtuins are involved in a much broader range of cellular processes and pathways, with distinct cellular localization and molecular targets. Basically, they modify other proteins in such a way as to reduce oxidative stress in cells, promote DNA repair, and help the survival of cells under adverse conditions. As we get older, our skin naturally becomes more fragile and less elastic. This causes loose, saggy skin and more pronounced lines and crevices. I know you're worried about those aging signs, but don't fret, this is where sirtuin comes in. Boosting NAD+ levels is another strategy to increase the activity of sirtuins. However, of all the sirtuins, sirtuin 6 is the least sensitive to NAD+ concentration. Therefore, to activate sirtuin 6, it is important to use supplements that activate this enzyme directly. Due to the fact that sirtuin 6 is the most potent of the sirtuin family, we found a sirtuin 6 supplement that will help you achieve your dream of longevity. The Sirt6 activator by Do Not Age is naturally made from a strain of seaweed called Fucus vesiculosus, which has been tested and proven to enhance DNA double-strand break repair. Each capsule contains 400 mg of Sirt6 activator, and I personally tend to take it before and after my main meals. The increased potency of this product leads to a decreased level of damage to the cells by oxidative stress. In addition to this effect, sirtuin 6, also known as the longevity sirtuin, helps keeps you energized by increasing the efficiency of ATP production. All in all, the neuroprotective function of this product makes it ideal for patients suffering from Alzheimer's disease who normally have low Sirt6 levels. So if you feel that this is something you would like to try, use the code NEDUCATION to get a discount for your longevity supplements from donotage.org. Link will be in the description. But in addition to supplements, there are a few methods to activate sirtuins in the body and reverse aging. Let's take a look. Number 1. Fasting. How does fasting do the trick? Before we get started, I would like to put out a big warning. Every fast, whether long or short, should be done after speaking to a medical professional. So make sure you seek the advice of your healthcare provider to know if your body can handle it. Now let's get into it. According to a review on metabolic regulation of sirtuins upon fasting and the implications for cancer, it was demonstrated that fasting protects normal cells from harmful metabolic conditions. This review went further to prove that the mechanism behind this effect is linked to the sirtuin sirtuin family, whose functions are involved in specific aspects of longevity, stress response, and metabolism. Several other studies have also reported that the sirtuin family, especially SIRT1 and SIRT3, can be activated by fasting. And once activated, they start to exhibit their effects in insulin response, antioxidant defense, and glycolysis. That's a whole lot to keep you youthful and in top shape, so if you want to activate your sirtuin level and live long, fasting can be really helpful. Number 2. Exercise. It's common to see people sweating it out in the gym to get their dream body, but what if I told you that you can also increase your sirtuin levels by exercising? Yes, I said that. According to a study published in the Journal of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation, aerobic exercises have been shown to lengthen telomeres and stimulate the production of SIRTs, especially SIRT1 and SIRT3. In fact, the most important effects of SIRT activation induced by exercise can be considered the reduction of oxidative stress and, more generally, improved mitochondrial health. Receiving compliments on how youthful we look in our 60s is one of the things we all dream about. However, like I said earlier, sirtuin doesn't do the work of reversing aging signs alone. It works alongside another molecule, NAD+, and due to the fact that NAD+ availability decreases as we age, sirtuin activities in the cells become impaired too. The good news is that exercise is one of the most effective ways to increase the NAD+ levels in the body. So just don't see exercise as something you do to burn calories. Being consistent can significantly affect the production of NAD+ in the body and further activate sirtuin. This way, you will get your dream body, and you're also increasing your lifespan. And number 3. Plant foods. Plant foods are wonderful. Aside from the fact that they are packed with healthy nutrients, they have been proven to be helpful in achieving longevity goals. In fact, plant foods that are rich in antioxidants are the ones that most activate SIRT1. So what are the best plant foods you should take? Well, SIRT foods like kale, broccoli, grapes, strawberries, and parsley can improve your health and extend your lifespan. Other foods like buckwheat, extra virgin olive oil, green tea, turmeric, and coffee also deserve a place in your meal plan. Now you might be wondering, how do these foods activate sirtuins? Well, they contain resveratrol, quercetin, curcumin, or catechins, which are compounds that have been proven to activate sirtuins in the body. Want to know more about these compounds? I would suggest you check out this video on resveratrol benefits and side effects and why you should start taking those supplements. Other than sirtuin, there are other compounds that can help slow down the aging clock and reverse aging signs. If you want to find out more, check out this video on hyaluronic acid benefits and why it is better to use supplements rather than lotions, or this one on how taking NMN supplements changed Tony Robinson's and many other people's lives. Click one or watch both to learn about how to age gracefully. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends, and I will see you on the next one.